Confidence isn't something you are born with, it's something you build. And if you don't, life will always feel like it's happening to you instead of for you. Hi, I'm Ali Hassan, a dentist who created Lovable to help you create cash flows and find a fulfilling career and take care of yourself along the way. One of the biggest keys to success in all three areas is confidence. Not fake confidence, not arrogance, but real inner confidence that makes you unstoppable. In this video, I will show you how to build it step by step. Why confidence matters. Without confidence, even the best skills go unused. You miss opportunities. You second guess yourself and you play small. With confidence, you take actions, even when you are scared. It's the difference between dreaming and doing. And step number one to create confidence and to build confidence is to keep promises you make to yourself. Confidence starts with trust. Every time you say you will do something and actually do it, you prove to yourself that your word matters. That's how self-trust and confidence grow. Step number two, you take action before you feel ready to do something. Most people wait for the confidence before they act, but confidence comes from action. Do the presentation, apply for the job, record the video, then confidence will follow. I myself were very scared to record myself and especially to talk in English. But today it's something normal, something I do every day. I'm not doing that every day, but something I can do every day. I'm not scared to talk in front of people with English anymore. And I'm not scared to post things on social media when I record myself filming. So we have to actually just do the thing and not make it stop ourselves from doing what we want to do. So then we have step number three. We reframe failure. Failure isn't the opposite of confidence. Failure is the builder of it. Every failure gives us feedback. The more we fail, the more forward and stronger our confidence becomes. And that's the muscle of confidence we get. Step number four, we have to surround ourselves with proof. Confidence grows in the right environment. Surround yourself with people who actually believe in your growth, who encourage action, and who remind you what's possible. If your circle doesn't push you, it will limit you. We have then step number five. Set yourself up for small, visible wins, daily workouts, habits, projects, something. Stack enough wins and your brain starts saying, I can do this. That's unstoppable. And you get your confidence in. And once you have the confidence to take action, the next step is turning your ideas into a reality. If you want to make a website or an app and you don't know how to code and you want to publish it, then there's tools like Lovable that will help you. Lovable is an easy website that builds websites for you or apps without coding, so you can launch faster and prove to yourself that you can make things real. My affiliate link is below if you want to check it out. As a final word, confidence isn't about never being afraid. It's about acting even when you are afraid. Keep promises to yourself. Take messy actions. Reframe failure. Surround yourself with the right people and stack small wins. That's how you build unstoppable confidence. Subscribe for more tools to build purpose and cash flow, and take care of yourself along the way. See you in the next videos. Bye bye. Subscribe for more tools to build purpose, cash flow, and self-care. See you in the coming videos. Bye bye.